Also new in LionO360 are the notions of filtering and grouping. As you can see in the accounts module, I have a couple of groups applied. Let's redo this so that you can see exactly how this works. But before we do that, what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how the filter option works. These two icons right here have been included with simple tooltips where you can see that we have the option to group by or filter, which is what I'll do now. Filters work on the basis of selecting some kind of data, an operator that maps that data, and then the value that we would like to see. We also have the addition of an add filter option where we can restrict the result set by the use of the AND operator, or we have the ability to increase the result set with the use of an OR operator. If we decide that we don't want that extra line, we can simply delete it, but let's use this filter to reduce our result set here down to something that is just a filtered set of data. Let's say that I was interested in seeing just the accounts that have this Chamber of Commerce tag. Now keep in mind, we can use any of these data points to filter our information, but in this case, we'll just go ahead and we'll use the Chamber of Commerce and the tags function. So I'd like to see just the accounts that have Chamber of Commerce as a tag. So I want to filter on tags, the tag equal to Chamber of Commerce. From here, I can apply my filter, and now I have just the entities that have the Chamber of Commerce tag. Alternatively, I could use, again, any of these data points. I could filter on name or email or maybe the state in which this entity is located. Filter represents a great way to find and use data in whatever way you think is most important to you. In addition, now that I've reset that filter, we see that I have the extra record back here. In addition, I can also group these. What this does is it finds common threads or applications for the data that I have entered, and it will group them into common spaces. Expanding again on tags, let's just go ahead and group on tags and then say apply. This list view now becomes a set of 3 groups. I have 3 tags with information belonging to these 3 groups. And as you can see, I have 2 tags, 2 tags, and 2 tags in each of these groups. These 2 accounts are the ones that fall under the Chamber of Commerce. They've been grouped because their common thread is the Chamber of Commerce tag. And as we can see, both Marcia's Markers and Jims and Berries belong not only to the Chamber of Commerce group, but they also belong to Legacy Website. What this means is that you can have accounts that belong to more than one group. Again, it's a common space, common ground that these accounts or entities share. And it's an excellent way for you to keep track of your data in LionO360. In this release, we've added both filters and tags, as well as group by. I would invite you to take a look at these new functions and explore how these can be used to maximum effect for your organization.